Welcome to Buybits again. Today we're playing with the Buybits friction mount with arm. New mount to us, not had it that long. Comes with the arm pre-mounted on it. It swivels 360 degrees, this thing, so you can turn it around and adjust it pretty much any way you like. With that we get various plates that fit our 4-prong system. We do many. This one would be for a TomTom Go. Does the 520, 720, 920 and a 530, 730, 930. We've also got a plate here. This would do a TomTom 1 version 2, 2nd edition, version 3, 3rd edition. I mean, we have plates for pretty much all TomToms and many PDA phones. We've got some universal ones. Again, they just fit on here like this. They fit on and clip on. Cool, tight. There we go. Right, let's just take that off. Okay, right, the bottom of the mount is made of a special rubberized material which makes it grip to surfaces very well. Combined with the weight of this unit, which is almost a kilo, when you put it on a surface, a flat surface, you can see it doesn't move. Obviously you can move it wherever you like to position, here or here. It doesn't really matter. Let's put you a plate on and a TomTom, and we'll have a little look here. So let's put that on and find us a TomTom. This one will do us. Here we go. And just tighten that up a bit. So as you can see, we can just sort of position it where we like here. I quite like it in this corner on this one, but I mean, you know, whatever you like. I'll bring it back here so you can see it. You can see we can alter all the angles by undoing the thumb screw. Up, down, you know, round. Whatever you like. And just to prove it's not going to move, we're going to go out. We're going to go out in the car and show you driving along.